How to fully reset Ring Video Doorbell when moving. Leaving certain smart devices like cameras, lighting, thermostats, and video doorbells behind can make a property more appealing to buyers. However, these devices must be logged out and factory reset so new owners can safely set them up. Amazon-owned Ring's video doorbells require a two-stage process for a full transfer. The first stage is a hardware reset, useful when moving the device to a new location or fixing software issues before re-adding it to your system. To reset, remove the doorbell's front panel, locate the circular reset button, and press it for 15 seconds. The light around the main button will flash quickly, then turn off, signaling the device is ready to reconnect. When giving a Ring doorbell to a friend, simply resetting it isn't enough. If still connected to your account, the new owner will be blocked from adding it until it's properly disconnected from the original account. To disconnect, open the Ring app, go to Settings, select Remove Device, then Delete. This permanently removes it from your account and deletes all recordings, so ensure you no longer need the footage or have downloaded it beforehand.
Go to GearBrain for more information.